Self-destruct sequence activated.
What's up, guys? Just bringing you another update for you guys right now on the 3D printer from the last time that I said I did happen to order a part for the CR6 SE. It's right here right now, but the reason why you are hearing something in the background, that's because I got another printer. This is the Ender 3 or something like that. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, that's what it is on the box. But you can actually see it's printing right now. But I'm only printing a test subject, and that is the dog. So basically, that's going to be coming. That's showing up right now. So, and here's a good close up of what it's looking right now. Look at that. It's working. It's working beautifully. I did not exactly adjust nothing on it. I didn't mess with anything. I just got my phone, put it on there, level it, works excellent. So it did read the SD card, which basically that's what I got in here. And this one's a little bit different than what this one takes. But luckily enough, I do got a adapter for this. So I'm going to let this print. But thank God this is printing. So now, instead of one 3D printer, I got two 3D printers now. Now, this one was some assembly required, but basically, I looked at the directions. I watched a video online of how to put this thing together, and basically, it's working. I'm surprised. So I hope you guys like the update right now. I am so tickled right now. I'm very happy, but I'm still waiting for the part for this to come. I just have to replace the circuitries that's in this because this one here is bad. So, and that's exactly what they said. They said, did you happen to got one? I said, yes. I recently purchased one, and it doesn't read the SD card. I left it in there. I left it on for for like an hour. Still didn't do nothing. So I turned it off and then turned back on ever since I found this part. They said, oh, we do apologize for that. So they are sending me the part, but it's coming from China. So I'm going to have to wait for that. So hopefully the new part for this right here will come. So that means I'll have two 3D printers instead of one. But I'm just grateful enough that this right here is working, and also just wait till all the projects I have coming up. You guys are gonna love them. So hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button, and also if you guys want to see more 3D prints, hit that like button, and also subscribe. And take care, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and take care.